Hey guys, I'm Mahir, and welcome back to my podcast God in Terms of Physics. Last time we had discussed if God could exist as a singularity or a black hole, and we also went over the concept of Schrodinger's cat and superposition. Now, using Schrodinger's cat experiment, we may have proved that there exist infinite parallel universes, and that is due to superposition. But what if superposition were to take place in one universe only? So that's what we are going to talk about today, and that's going to be about teleportation. Now, by the double slit experiment, we know that a particle shows dual nature and can exist as a wave also. So, if we have a photon in light, then the photon can exist as a wave also and also as a photon. Now, scientists have also found out that light sometimes tends to travel at a higher speed than its usual speed. But can light really do that? Photons inside the light have a speed less than 3 into 10 raised to the power 8 meter per second, which is possessed by the waves of the light. Now, if the speed of the waves of the light is increasing, that means that the speed of photons too will increase. And if the photons attain the speed of wave like light, then the mass will become infinite. That's what Einstein said, and we can't have a photon attaining infinite mass. If a photon attains infinite mass, it itself will become a black hole, the biggest black hole in history, and absorb the own light which it is carrying. It will also lead to the destruction of the entire universe because the gravity will be infinite as the mass is infinite. So, if the speed of light is not really increasing, then what can lead to this phenomenon? I think that when light leaves from a star, it is not under any observation. So, the wave function, which is the complex mathematical function, is preserved. It does not collapse. So, as the wave function is not collapsing, it is in a state of superposition. But what if this superposition is actually leading it to exist at another place which is in line with its path, and that is why that is leading the scientists to conclude that the speed of light is increasing. So, if light is superpositioned in its own path, I think that is the concept of teleportation. Now, if light can show superposition in the same universe and be teleported, I think in the near future, humans too will discover a way to teleport themselves. Humans too are made up of particles, and if we find a way to show superposition and maintain the wave function, then we too may discover the key to being teleported. So that's it for today. Thank you for listening and follow up on my next episode.